After his many adventures, Arian's kindness compass had led him far and wide. But now, the greatest challenge of all awaited. The narrator, dramatic and hopeful, sets the stage. After his many adventures, Arian's kindness compass had led him far and wide. But now, the greatest challenge of all awaited. As the compass glows brighter, it points to a distant mountain, and Arian, young and eager, feels the thrill of his final journey. This is it. The final journey. I know I'm ready. The narrator continues. Arian's kindness compass pointed to a distant mountain, where the balance of kindness and peace was at risk. The mountain glows ominously while dark clouds swirl above it, casting a shadow over Arian's task. Something dark was threatening to cover the world's kindness and light. If Arian couldn't stop it, all he had worked for would be lost, the narrator warns. But Arian, filled with determination, declares, I won't let that happen. I will bring the world together. As Arian journeys toward the mountain, he encounters the fairy, who waits for him with urgency in her voice. Superboy, the world's kindness is fading. You've helped so many places, but now you must unite them all. Arian's heart swells with courage, and he knows the power of kindness is a force stronger than any darkness. I will unite the cities, the villages, and the towns. Together, we can shine brighter than ever before. Arian asserts confidently. Climbing the mountain, Arian calls upon the places he has visited, shouting towards the sky, let's unite. Let's bring our kindness together. With every step, his voice echoes, reaching the ears of those he had touched. One by one, the people he had helped began to gather at the foot of the mountain. The village of everlasting joy, the town of endless peace, the city of kindness, and more, each one coming together, bringing their unique kindness to share. The narrator paints the scene vividly. As Arian smiles with joy, look, it's all of us. We've made it together. A brilliant light descends from the sky. The darkness begins to recede as the gathered kindness brightens the world below. With kindness from every corner of the world, the dark clouds vanished. The world was united in kindness, peace, and love. The fairy beams with pride. You did it, Superboy. You brought the world together. Kindness has saved us all. The cities, villages, and towns, once isolated, now stand as one, glowing with the brilliance of shared kindness. The cities, the villages, and the towns, once separate, now stood united, glowing with the brilliance of kindness. Every person, from every place, had joined together to make the world a better place, the narrator reveals.